Hi, and welcome to this short video about the Optima platform. In this video I'll be going through some basic functions of Optima, how to get there and so on. By the time this video is finished, hopefully you'll have the basic idea of what Optima is. So, let's start by going to link.laurea.fi. This kind of screen will pop up. This means you'll have to sign in using your student ID. The format is as follows: Laurea / your student ID. Now we are at Laurea Link's home screen, and if the site's not in English, you can set it by clicking here in English. Now let's head to Optima. Select Quick Links and click Optima. Now you'll have to sign in again, so click Haka Login. In here you'll have to select the school you are in. In my case I'll select Laurea University of Applied Sciences. And here you can see all kinds of these boxes, and this is the welcome box. It basically tells you what was the last time you logged in. Here you can see the announcements from your teacher. Basically, if you are a part of any workspace and the teacher wants to announce something, the announcement will pop up here. Okay, here are the messages box. Here are all the messages from discussion or chat features of a certain workspace you are in. For example, if student writes something on a discussion of a workspace you are in, it will show up here. And lastly, we have this tasks to examine box. You can kind of think of these as your deadline reminders. If a certain date or deadline is coming up and you haven't returned any documents yet, it will show up here and kind of act as a reminder to you. Example of a workspace. Basically, most of the time you are attending to a class or a course, you will be added to a workspace in Optima. The workspaces you are attending will be shown left of the home screen of Optima. In Optima workspaces, the teacher can give or add assignments, tasks, folders to return your answers, provide material to read, and so on. In many of the online courses, or should I say most of the courses, all of the material will be inside the workspace of the course for you to read. There are a few ways to build up workspace, and it is up to the teacher what way he will build it. That's why some workspaces appear a little different. So now we are inside of a workspace, and I'm gonna show you what it can contain. Here you can see this example workspace contains all kinds of folders, and they can contain material or basically anything. In the top of the page you can see different kind of tabs, and this is the front page. So here I'm just showing you what kind of things this can contain. So I'm just clicking here. Quick links, there are all kinds of info here. And then just basic links, for example. So let's move on to the second tab, and as you can see, it contains a timetable. By clicking this info icon, you can see the information of the assignment, and by clicking this icon, you can find the returning box of this certain assignment. Now I'm going to show you where to find your user card. It's basically a place where people can find your information if needed. It is advised that you update there at least your phone number and email. There are two ways of getting there. One is right here. You go to your space. Here's this tab, personal information, and then you click user card. So here you can find your information, and in this tab you can edit all the info you need. And you can also add your own picture if you want. And here you can see some language settings and such, if you need to change it. If you run into any problems with Optima, I'll show you a few useful links that will get you the help you need. You can go to here. In the far top right corner you'll find this info icon. Here you can find all the Optima instructions in Finnish, Swedish, and here below in English. So here's like a information bank, and here you will find basically everything you need to know about Optima. If you still don't find what you need, you can go here. Again, in the far top right corner you'll find this link icon, and here you'll find this link, basically help desk at laurea.fi, and if you open it you'll find the help desk portal, and here you can search answers to your problems, and if you still need help you can go here, and here is Optima ongelma part, and it means Optima problem, and by clicking it this form opens, and here you can tell us what's the problem, basically the description and all that, and try to be specific with your problem. It helps us to resolve them. And yeah, this was just a quick rundown of Optima, and I really hope it helped you.